Hello and welcome back to Autoflowing. Today I'll be showing you the SVZO indicator as seen here on TradingView. If you want to read more about it, you can do so here and also on the article about it. Alright, let's get into it. So the SVZO is down here because it's an oscillator type indicator. It's based on volume, so you can use it to identify changes in the momentum based on the volume. To show it a bit more here, I'll unhide this and grab the trend indicator as well. So as we can see here, when the SVZO goes to the oversold conditions, it's likely to be at the bottom of the rotation. Here in the downtrend, we had these two wicks down, and that was the bottom. Then we changed the structure here to the uptrend, and the tops of the SVZO marked out the highs of this. Afterwards, we went into this big downtrend, and all of the bottom touches of the SVZO indicator were places where price reversed a bit into the trend and then continued further down, then another bottom tick and reversed into trend and continued on until we hit this low at $50,000 in Bitcoin, and the volume surged a lot, as we can see right down here. So we had a volume surge, and here at this bottom print at 50,000, around that, we had this up and break of structure that you can see if you use my other indicators such as chroma structure. I can put it on to show you. Here we had the structure and the break of the structure. So we now have identified the bottom of this and a break of structure. Anyways, as we turn over to this next part, we can see that the SVZO had a bullish divergence here because this low was lower than this one. And then price makes a lower low, as we also can see on the structure. Price made a lower low, both here at the SVZO low and here. And afterwards, we had the price surge again. And these blue ones are the top wicks of the SVZO indicator. Let me just hide this again. So that's basically what you can use the SVZO for. You can use it to analyze volume and create it into an oscillator that you can show on your chart. Obviously, you can change the settings. So yeah, I put the period to 7 because it was better for this Bitcoin chart. Also, if I wanted to do it on the higher time frames, a lower value in the period would be better. You can also use the smoothing because, yeah, if you want to smooth out the oscillation. So if I put the value back to 10, that's the default, and have the smoothing on, you can see that you can see how it changes the oscillator. So let me just put it back to, let's try 5 and see how that looks. With the smoothing on the EMA type. And the EMA line is also smoothed. As we can see here, the line is a bit lower down when it comes to the low points, but it's harder to get into the overbought and oversold territory. Right, I think that was it for the SVZO. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I also hope you enjoyed the article. Thank you for watching.